That is unbelievable.
Where do we even start?
The structural integrity here is almost non-existent. We have a massive task ahead, and the vegetation is accelerating the decay on the lower decks.
Clear the runoff on the left side. Watch the cables over there.
All right, team, final checks. Supervisor confirms the forward mounts are secure. Stand by for tensioning. We have separation. Watch out for falling debris on the bow.
Noted. Keep the tension steady. We are clear of the shallow zone.
Tug 2, reduce power to 5 knots.
Copy that. 5 knots.
Line handlers, prepare to secure the bow now.
Right, team. Focus on the structural integrity around the waterline first. We need detailed reports on this corrosion by mapping the stress points.
Roger that. Checking the seam now.
Rigging secure. All personnel clear the red zone.
Clear.
Begin the lift. Very slow. Watch the mounts. Map this entire section out. The gauge shows critical thinning here. Confirmed. I'll extend the boundary line past the seam. Okay, team, focus on this section here. The corrosion depth exceeds tolerance, and we need full panel replacement along this seam.
Watch the starboard side, clear the valve. Easy now, keep it steady. A little higher on my mark, hold it there.
The dimensions match the schematics precisely. We can begin positioning. Verify the shaft alignment requirements.
All right, slowly now, watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Clear on this side, boss.
Okay, easy down another inch.
This coupling needs tightening.
Got it, set to 75 Newton meters.
Confirmed.
This section here, the navigation array, it doesn't match the schematics. We need to document the discrepancies before removal.
The plating on the starboard side looks good. Let's move to the engine mounts next.
Steady now, easy down.
Hold it there. We're 2 millimeters off on the center post.
Make sure the seam is flush here.
Okay, tightening the top fastener now.
Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Set it down gently, watch the gasket.
Hold it there. Alignment check.
Circuit testing complete. Powering up bank 3 now. Confirmed activation. The corridor looks great.
Did you check the seam by the mount point? Yes, clear. Moving to the next section now. Check the torque on the fuel lines again. Already done, Supervisor. Okay, marked complete.
Lighting circuit stable in section 4.
Pumps holding pressure. All green here, Supervisor.
Confirmed. Main systems check complete.